Roy Mabasa Malacanang on Tuesday defended the issuance of an arrest warrant against Pinyakai Zhang Samahan NGMG 8th Super at operator nationwide, PISTON, leader George San Mateo for threatening to lead a jeepney strike in violation of the Certificate of Public Conveyance being issued to public utility vehicle operators. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said San Mateo was arrested specifically for violating Section 20(k) of Commonwealth Act No. 14(6), otherwise known as the Public Service Act. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, Jansen Romero/Manila Bulletin. They were warned that although there is freedom of expression and peaceful assembly, it is limited in the case of holders of certificates of public convenience because the law says so and the law meets the penalty, Roque said during a press briefing in Malacanang. Roque said Section 19 of the law states, "It shall be unlawful for any public service to provide or maintain any service that is unsafe, improper, or inadequate or withhold or refuse any service which can reasonably be demanded and furnished, as found and determined by the Commission in a final order." The arrest warrant was signed on December 1 by Quezon City Judge Don Ace Mariano Alaga, days after San Mateo announced that the group intends to hold a 2-day transport strike. PISTON later decided to cancel the strike, which was supposed to be held on December 4 to 5. "I think he was warned that as a holder of a franchise, a certificate of public convenience, it is criminal and it is illegal for them to participate in any Tijal Pasada," Roque said. Roque, who is known as a human rights lawyer prior to his appointment as the president's spokesperson, explained that those holding a certificate of public convenience should render a service necessary and not be a tool to inconvenience the public. "That's why you're given the legal authority to conduct this business. It's a privilege reserved only for those who can meet the obligations of franchise holders," he said. Roque also rebuked claims that San Mateo's arrest was a form of harassment against militant groups or in any way connected to President Duterte's earlier pronouncement to arrest legal fronts of the communist rebels. "As I said, it is also pursuant to a warrant of arrest duly issued by a court and therefore, there can be no harassment here. No. We are just allowing the rule of law to prevail," he said. Roque maintained that the transport leader was warned but nevertheless defied the warning. He now has to face the consequences. Furthermore, the palace spokesperson said San Mateo's arrest should send the message that violators will be prosecuted by authorities. "That is after all the duty of the state. We can't have it any other way," Roque said, as he scoffed on the rallyists to blame themselves for their predicament. Read more, PISTON president arrested while about to post bail. Tags, arrest warrant versus PISTON leader is part of rule of law, not harassment, Palace.